Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super chill, super festive. Today I decided to do a movie commentary kind of a thing. Took me a little second to figure out exactly how to film it, but I figured it out. I also noticed last time I edited my video there's a lot of likes in there. So I'm going to try and rein that in some for my own sake. Today I'm going to be watching the Polar Express, I think it's called. In all honesty, I've totally seen this movie before. It's kind of like one of those movies that you almost have to watch multiple times to get like a full grasp on it, if that makes sense. I'm cozy in front of the window. I've got something that lightly resembles a Christmas light back there. You'll just have to take my word for it. I've got a little cozy blanket. Yes. I also have some socks, but I mean, it's very warm, so it's not like I need the socks, but I have them, 'cause, for moral support. I don't really know how people film these movies, but boy am I gonna finesse it.
Now let's get you upstairs and into bed.
But I have to.
Wait, is he finding out that Santa's not real right now? Because that's nice. That's good parenting. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, that's effed up. He's like, that's what I thought.
Stark, barren, devoid of life.
Wait, was he reading that the North Pole or something is devoid of life? Who does that as an adult even? Who lays there pretending to be asleep when they're totally awake? It's called insomnia. I mean, he had the right idea, not getting on some random train that stopped in the middle of his neighborhood. Just saying. But then again, if Tom Hanks stopped in the middle of your neighborhood and was like, get on this train, you might, you know what I mean? Because it's Tom Hanks, so I don't know.
Are we really going to the North Pole?
Hey, look, everybody!
Isn't that wonderful?
Herbersheimer's! Wow, look at all those presents. I want all of them.
So Christmassy, cozy, beautiful.
Try your pocket.
Don't you wish money just randomly if you checked enough in your pockets appeared? That'd be cool. Just saying. Ooh, the golden ticket. Charlie, he's coming for your brand. And ooh. That's effed up. That wasn't even his ticket. That's her ticket. When you're trying to help someone, when you're trying to bring someone a plate of food and it falls. That's the spirit.
Isn't he the king of the North Pole?
You mean this guy? Ahead, slow.
Dang, I can't want to see like a reindeer in real life. Like, first of all, how old were you when you found out that reindeer were like real animals in real life? Because I don't remember how many years old I was, but too old, like probably 15 or something. Too old to not have known that, I suppose.
Pretty fast.
Tell the engineer, slow down.
See, first I cut her big shared off. What? The bin! Where? Oh no!
Oh no.
I don't like the look of this. Quick, under the safety
Wait,
bar.
pause. So you're telling me somebody went up and somebody made those signs that tall, but they didn't take the time to like fix the tracks? Because in my eyes, they probably could have fixed the tracks at that point.
Is everything all right?
JS just saying. Like, how much?
That we have lost communication with the engineer. We are standing totally exposed. We all hold on.
What? Who would have designed a railroad track team to be like that in the first place? This is like full-on Universal Studios right now. Is this a real song, or like how did they both know to sing this song?
That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
Ooh, Aurora Borealis.
The Northern Lights.
Right. That's so pretty.
Hey, you three. We just crossed.
Comment down below if you've seen that in real life, because that's pretty freaking dope.
Circle. And do
So
you
pretty.
see those lights in the distance? They look like the lights of a strange ocean liner sailing on a frozen sea. There is the North Pole.
Yo, what is it? The last like 50 minutes of this movie are literally so beautiful. It's just nothing but freaking Christmas lights and Christmas and
From Mr. C.
Christmas on top of that.
I wanted one of these the whole
Christmas
life.
sprinkled on Christmas mixed up with Christmas.
Look,
See?
but
Those are the rules.
That's so cute. Hi guys, it's me. It's editing me. I just want to let you know that I totally stopped editing this video because I personally kind of found it boring. So enjoy what parts I did edit, and then yeah, watch the movie if you want to. I'll link it in the description box below. You can watch it on YouTube actually. Then there you go. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment your other favorite Christmas movies. Comment a Christmas movie like that everybody doesn't know already. If you guys haven't seen my last video, it's probably really helpful this time of year because A, 2021 is coming up, and B, it's the holidays. And my last video was all about how to make some extra money for 2021 in the holidays. Really good side hustle tip. Definitely go check out that video. And yeah. And we're doing this still. This is something that I've looked up plenty of times before I actually did it, like years before. I was like how do you, I used to always look up how do you like kind of have a side hustle sort of, and I feel like you just get these really like odd kind of answers. Earlier today, just for the sake of the video, I looked up again like how do you, just to see like what other people say so that I can compare that to like my notes and what I have to say about it. I saw one where people were like, how much money you need? Like no money, really? You don't really need money to start a pet sitting business. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Like just starting out, just if we're talking about a side hustle that can make extra dough, and by the way, when I say extra dough, I mean like you could make upwards of $1,000 extra a month. Like I'm not even joking, no cap. Like I feel like a lot of times you watch some of these like financial kind of videos about like how you can diversify your portfolio, and you're kind of just like, it all sounds very, for lack of a better word, but Tai Lopez-y, where you're just kind of like, yeah, sure.